The future of farming is being revolutionized by AI-powered robots. This video explores how these cutting-edge machines are transforming agriculture, increasing efficiency and productivity while minimizing human labor. Revolutionizing farming with AI-powered robots. Labor shortages, environmental concerns, and increasing food demand are some of the challenges facing modern agriculture. AI-powered robots are introduced as a game-changing solution to overcome these hurdles. Real-world examples of AI robots are showcased, performing various farming tasks such as planting, harvesting, and weeding. AI algorithms and sensors empower these robots to make intelligent decisions, adapt to changing conditions, and work autonomously. The specific benefits AI robots bring include increased efficiency, precision, and sustainability in farming practices. AI robots are transforming agriculture by delivering tangible results. Higher crop yields, reduced labor costs, and optimized resource utilization are just the beginning. AI-powered farming also contributes to improved food security and sustainability by minimizing waste and reducing environmental impact. Let's take a look at some case studies of successful AI robot implementations on farms, highlighting the economic and environmental benefits. AI technology in agriculture goes beyond just robots. It encompasses data analysis, precision farming techniques, and predictive modeling. This technology has the potential to optimize resource allocation, improve crop quality, and enhance disease and pest management. Additionally, AI impacts the agricultural workforce, redefining the role of human farmers and opening up new job opportunities in this evolving field. Imagine a future where AI robots are seamlessly integrated into the agricultural landscape. AI has the potential to create a more sustainable and efficient food production system, addressing global food security challenges. As we look ahead, we see a bright future for agriculture powered by the innovation of AI technology